In this lesson, you'll learn how system instructions in Google AI Studio can automatically turn raw announcements into clean, ready-to-publish LinkedIn posts every single time. Let's pick up where we left off. Open Google AI Studio if you haven't already. From the left-hand navigation sidebar, click on Playground to open a fresh workspace. Next, click the Code and Chat tile in the Playground workspace. This will open a new chat interface, typically using a model like Gemini 1.5 Flash by default. On the right-hand settings panel, look for System Instructions. System instructions are used to set the AI's permanent ground rules, defining its core personality, tone, and behavioral boundaries before the conversation even begins. This means you don't have to start from scratch every time you perform the same tasks. Click to expand or edit this section. In the title field, enter a descriptive name, such as LinkedIn Brand Voice. In the text area below the title, paste or type your specific styling rules, just like I did to create a LinkedIn post from a simple announcement. Once you're done, click the close icon to apply the instructions. After the system instructions are active, you can test them using simple, unformatted announcements. Go to the prompt input box at the bottom of the screen. Enter a basic update, such as, "We fixed some bugs in our software update today. The dashboard is faster now. You can check it out on the site." Unlike ChatGPT and Claude, don't press Enter. Instead, press Ctrl plus Enter or click the Run button. The model will generate a refined post that follows your exact instructions. See how convenient that is? Let's try another example. Click New Chat, the plus icon near the top right corner of the chat window, to start a fresh session. The system instructions should remain active in the new chat. Enter a different update, such as, "We are hiring a virtual assistant." Click Run. As you can see, the AI maintains the same structured professional B2B tone and formatting rules that we defined earlier. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Take care, and bye.